Customer brought in his 2019 MacBook Pro 15-inch that got liquid damage for data recovery. Apple Store wasn't able to help him, so he came to us. After checking out the device, we can see it's taking 5 volts, whereas it should be taking 20 volts. We open up the device and see some signs of liquid damage here and there, some signs of corrosion around the SSD PMIC and power button connector. We traced down the short to this capacitor right here. We removed it and replaced with a working one, and then device was taking normal charge. We reflowed the SSD PMIC just to be safe and the chips around it. Then the device came back to life and now we have access to data. Thanks for watching.